So Anthony, one of the things I know often comes off in questions is what's an RMD, or in other words, required minimum distribution? What is it? Do I have to take it? When do I have to take it? How much? These are questions we get often, and curious as to the insight that you can provide into this area.
Yeah, at age 70 and a half, you have to start taking distributions from most retirement plans. Okay, and a lot of people know that. They just don't know how it works or what to do.
Sure.
The year you turn 70 and a half, you have to begin taking a minimum distribution that's calculated based on an IRS table, which is your age, okay, and then also the value of your account as of the previous year.
So December 31st of the previous year, that's the value used to calculate in the table.
Right.
Okay.
And it's very important that people take this out, and that's why sometimes people can stress over it, because it's a 50% penalty
that's steep.
from the IRS if you don't take it out.
That's steep. Now, but there is a rule that's being used quite frequently now, especially in light of all the tax changes, and that's called a qualified charitable distribution, shortened QCD. And we see a lot of people using it now, and we're recommending that to quite a few clients in terms of tax strategies. Can you shed a little light into what that area is?
Yeah, we're using it more. I mean, we definitely have an emphasis with people that we work with as far as giving money to charity. So giving money directly from a required distribution to charity can have additional tax benefits.
Yep.
Based on tax reform, there's a lot more people that are taking the standard deduction rather than itemizing their deductions, which charitable deductions would normally fall under.
Yeah.
So this allows them to take the standard deduction, and still that money that they give directly to charity doesn't show up on their income.
Yeah. So it completely takes it off the top. We don't have to worry about itemizing deductions, since a lot of people may not be doing that anymore. So really a benefit for everyone.
Right.
Okay. Now, there's a lot going on here. A lot of people worry about how they should be doing this, when they should be taking it. Kind of, do we have a plan for these people in terms of making sure they get it done right?
Yeah, because there really are so many intricacies in it, depending on what type of plan you have. If you have a 401k, an IRA, a 403b, which can be sum totaled in order to take it out. There are a lot of things to think about. So we basically have 4 steps to it. One is recognize that you just have to do it, which is what we're talking about here. Number 2 is know what accounts you personally have, take inventory of those, and then get advice based on your personal situation rather than having to know everything.
Yeah. Some accounts you can aggregate, as you said, some accounts need to be taken separately. Knowing the in-depth rules can really make a difference. Make sure you avoid those penalties and do it right the first time.
Yep. Number 3 is have it set up to calculate automatically with your retirement plan custodian, and then have those distributions paid directly to your bank account. And you don't have to do it that way, but we find that it minimizes a lot of errors. One, by having them calculate it, have it set up automatically so you don't forget, and then by it going to your bank account, just in case you're not expecting it, that way that you receive the money. Okay. And then number 4 is if any plans change, like if you move 401k, roll it over to an IRA, or you transfer an IRA from one custodian to another, make sure that you adjust your plans. So these are things that we, commonplace help our clients with. We help them walk them through it, give them the confidence so they're not worried about their IRA distributions. They have other things to be thinking about, but nonetheless, there's lots of things to consider here.
Yeah. So definitely. So if you have questions, or if you're wondering, when's my RMD? How do I take it? How much do I need to take? Can I aggregate these accounts? Do I need to take these ones separately? I'm a business owner. Does it make a difference? Because it certainly does. These are the type of things that we can help you with. We'd love to help you with them. Give us a call or visit our website. Talk to you soon.